Gonna see if I can bring this back to life. Damn. Batteries, duracell batteries, yeah. Wonderful batteries. Alright, well, little sidetrack there. It's always something, isn't it? I used this and a screwdriver and a pick and some scrubby to clean off the terminals. And then I'm going to put some of this battery terminal protector. I already tested it. It works now. No thanks to crappy duracell batteries that leaked all over my electronic level. Don't buy duracell. I'm putting in Kirkland. I know Kirkland doesn't make their own batteries, so for all I know, these are made by Duracell. But what are you going to do? Everything gets buried under layers and layers of rebranding, basically. What I'm going to do instead of spraying, well, I might spray a little bit in there, but I'm going to spray like on the ends of these batteries. Spray the protector. I think it's red or green or something. There you go, it's red. It's not quite as bad as what I thought it was. I'm still going to spray a little in the compartment.